Would you like to offer your patients all the benefits of fractional RF and bipolar RF, but with enhanced safety and reduced pain? Now you can. With one advanced fractional device for complete and safe skin resurfacing, renewal and skin tightening that delivers two complementary technologies to offer your patients a wide range of treatments while growing your practice. Using three integral fractional mechanisms to ensure your patients get maximum results with minimum pain. SVC offers the safety and control to let you treat areas considered more difficult and challenging, such as the neck, décolleté, and hands, and it's suitable for all skin types in all seasons. V-Touch offers your patients a wide variety of aesthetic solutions, powered by proprietary SVC technology, which integrates switching, vacuum, and cooling mechanisms to increase the efficacy of fractional RF. V-Touch lets you apply non-ablative resurfacing and focused coagulation to exactly pinpoint the areas to be treated, leaving surrounding tissue unharmed. This reduces trauma and enhances healing so that your patients enjoy superior results and a safer, more comfortable treatment. Switching makes fractional RF more efficient. Smart heat is generated prior to RF pulsing for volumetric preheating of the treatment area, making it more receptive to the fractional RF energy. You can also control and adjust unique pulse structures to better target the source of the symptoms by alternatively switching between the RF pins in the array. And better control means improved clinical outcomes. V-Touch is the first fractional RF system to incorporate vacuum technology. The vacuum increases safety by controlling skin and tip coupling. This eliminates the risk of epidermal burns, while increasing blood flow to the area stimulates tissue metabolic rate to reduce healing time. The vacuum mechanism also lets you deliver highly reproducible results your patients can count on. The thermoelectrically cooled bracket on the array optimizes your patient's comfort, providing a less painful and more pleasant treatment experience. SVC technology, switching, vacuum, and cooling for optimal results, better control, and enhanced comfort. The V-Touch system includes an upgradable powerful skin tightening application. Based on proven core technology, V-Touch Bipolar RF Skin Tightening has 3 different frequency modes in addition to its proprietary multi-channel mode. Core technology gives you the freedom to choose the channel mode according to the targeted area for more effective and accurate treatment. V-Touch: 1 advanced fractional device, 2 complementary technologies, 3 integral fractional mechanisms. Unlimited possibilities by Viora.